In this video, I'm going to describe the differences between the OEM Whirlpool part and where it commonly breaks, and then a comparison of the different options to buy a replacement part. So these parts here, typically what happens is this crossbar piece breaks. Sometimes it'll break at that location as well, but ordinarily it's this crossbar. And I offer basically three different options to replace these parts, and one of them, the cheapest, is what I saw on eBay, and this is printed with FDM type 3D printing process, and it's a little bit different than the OEM part in that this crossbar is quite a bit wider on the FDM part, and then also what's a little bit different is that there's a little bit of more material in this area on the other side to structurally reinforce it so that the 3D printed plastic is actually strong enough. But don't worry, the pieces will still fit onto this slightly different part and fit onto your washer or dryer. I've had sold hundreds of these things, and nobody's complained about it not fitting yet. So this option is available on eBay, and you get two of them so that in case one of them breaks, or if you have both the washer and dryer that need a handle, you can replace them. Okay, the other two options I offer through shapeways.com. Shapeways.com is a third-party 3D printing service, and this option here is made from SLS nylon, and again it has the wider cross piece than the OEM part, and that's because the kind of plastic that Shapeways is using is not quite as strong as the polycarbonate of the OEM part. I've sold many of these through Shapeways, and I haven't had any complaints to speak about it, but there have been some individuals that seem to have broke more handles, and for somebody that has a particularly tough washer or has had a bad experience with multiple broken handles, whether that's with replacement OEM parts or from buying one of my other options, I offer a stainless steel. It looks brass colored, but it's a stainless steel powder that's infiltrated with brass, and this should be the strongest of the three replacement options. It does of course cost a little bit more, and when you buy it through Shapeways, there's a little bit more time that it takes to get it shipped to you because it takes a little while to go through their process. So the big difference is it doesn't have this springy part. So in the handles I've tried it on, this does fit tight and the handle isn't loose. The crossbar is about the same size as the OM because of the strength of materials of the stainless steel brass material is far superior than the polycarbonate. So other than that, the part is minimized. It's hollowed out to minimize the amount of steel because the cost of the part is directly proportional to the amount of material used. So these are the three different options, one through eBay and then two through shapeways.com. The eBay part is probably the quickest to get. The Shapeways will take another week or two to get, depending on Shapeways backlogs. Anyway, thank you.